All right, viewers, we'll cut across to some breaking updates coming in. Republic is the first channel to get access to the order by the Supreme Court in Rhea Chakrabarty's plea hearing in the Supreme Court today. In fact, it is important to note that the Supreme Court had, in fact, in a very crucial hearing that took place today, has refused to grant any protection to Rhea Chakrabarty, and we are the first channel to get access to the plea and the Supreme Court order as well. Let's go across to my colleague Nalini, now joining us live. So Nalini, please share the most important points in this particular order by the Supreme Court today, and the biggest takeaways being that Rhea Chakrabarty's plea has in a way been refused by the Supreme Court.
Well, it is a three-page order that the Supreme Court has passed with regard to the hearing that happened today. And the biggest takeaway from the order is, of course, the fact that 3 days' time has been given to the Mumbai police to get for the details of the investigation so far and put on record the details of the stage of the investigation is at right now. At the same time, they've also said that in these 3 days, all of the other parties that are involved can also file their submissions before the Supreme Court. So that all the submissions of all the parties, because as we know that the Bihar government along with the centre have both now asked to be a party to this case. So that all the submissions are there on the record, the Supreme Court's given 3 days time to all the parties essentially to do so. In addition to that, the Supreme Court's also noted down all of the arguments that were made by all the counsels who appeared for various parties during the hearing, while also noting the fact that the Mumbai police through the Maharashtra government today came and told the Supreme Court that everything that they were doing was in a professional manner, while on the other hand the Bihar government argued that they were being stopped from conducting the investigation in the state of Maharashtra because of the hurdles that were being created by the Mumbai police. So all of these arguments that were made in court have made it as observations in the Supreme Court order that has been passed today. There has been no date given in the order for when the next hearing is going to happen, but the Supreme Court has said that it will take place sometime next week. So in 3 days' time we can expect for all the submissions to be filed, after which we'll get to know exactly when the hearing is going to be happening next before the Supreme Court.
All right, thank you so much, Nalini, for getting us that latest update. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this case.